Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best vanity lights is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of a perfect makeup setup, transforming your daily routine from a functional necessity into a luxurious experience, ensuring flawless application every single time, no matter the ambient lighting conditions, and elevating your entire beauty space with both style and superior illumination. Number 5. Hollywood-style LED vanity mirror lights. Dreaming of a Hollywood-style vanity but don't want to break the bank? These lights give you that coveted look for a fraction of the cost. Installation is a breeze. No drilling required. Simply attach them to your mirror or frame for an instant upgrade to your beauty space. These lights are perfect for more than just makeup. Use them in your bathroom, living room, or for art displays to enhance any space. Control your lighting with ease. The smart dimmer allows you to adjust brightness and turn them on or off with a simple touch. Add a touch of elegance to your vanity. These lights are not only bright but also incredibly stylish, completing your makeup table setup. Ideal for daily makeup application, taking stunning photos, or even recording tutorials. Get the perfect lighting every time. What we like? If you're dreaming of a Hollywood-style vanity without breaking the bank, this is your answer. It offers a chic, bright look with simple installation. If you want that glamorous feel and easy setup for your makeup table, you should consider this. What people say. Lights are very bright and I love that they are dimmable and easy to trim to size. Very bright lights, and easy to install. Added lots of light to our upstairs bathrooms. The lights were so easy to put on and are super bright. I'm thankful for the dimming switch, lol. Number 4. Hollywood-style dimmable vanity mirror lights. Achieve flawless makeup and dressing with adjustable brightness and 3 color modes. You can easily select your preferred setting to suit any situation without eye strain. The wire length between bulbs is adjustable, making it perfect for mirrors of all sizes. Setup is effortless with included adhesive tapes that hold securely. Enjoy the convenience of a USB power supply. Simply plug it into your laptop, phone charger, or any USB port, making it ideal for travel and quick touch-ups. With 14 bulbs providing even, Hollywood-style lighting, your makeup will be more delicate and detailed. Say goodbye to dark corners and shadows. Operated by USB, these lights are safe to touch and won't overheat. They are perfect for makeup and dressing, and can also be used to decorate various spaces. These lights ensure you have the perfect illumination for makeup application. They are designed to be safe, convenient, and enhance your beauty routine. What we like? This option provides extensive lighting with 14 bulbs and adjustable color temperatures for perfect makeup in any light. The flexible wire length and USB power make it incredibly versatile. If you need precise lighting control and a setup that's easy to adapt to different mirror sizes, you should consider this. What people say. I really love that they have different settings for different lighting atmospheres. The bulbs are a good size as well, not too small and not big and bulky. They give off a fair amount of light. You can dim and brighten as needed with ease. It is very bright, functional, and made my mom so very happy. Number 3. Hollywood-style vanity lights. Achieve flawless makeup and dressing with adjustable brightness and 3 color modes. Find the perfect light for any situation, day or night, without eye strain. Power up easily with the convenient USB cable. Simply plug to your laptop, power bank, or phone charger for perfect lighting wherever you are. Adjust the wire length between bulbs to fit any mirror size. The strong adhesive tape ensures a secure and long-lasting hold, no tools required. Experience even, shadow-free illumination with 10 Hollywood-style bulbs. Ensure every detail of your makeup is perfect, even in dimly lit spaces. Operated by a safe 5V USB, these lights stay cool to the touch, making them safe for everyone. They're perfect for makeup, dressing, and even decorating various spaces. Beyond your vanity, these versatile lights can enhance bedrooms, bathrooms, and even cafes. They add a touch of Hollywood glamour to any setting. What we like? With 10 dimmable bulbs and adjustable color temperatures, this offers excellent lighting for detailed makeup application. Its USB power source adds convenience for use anywhere. If you're looking for a balanced lighting solution with customizable color and brightness, and appreciate the ease of USB power, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are very bright and provide excellent illumination for makeup application. The adjustable brightness and color temperature settings are a great feature, allowing for customization to different lighting conditions. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my desk setup and adding a touch of elegance. Number 2. ViLSOM LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. Introducing the ViLSOM LED Vanity Mirror Lights Kit, designed to enhance your makeup experience. This kit provides brilliant, adjustable lighting for your vanity. Achieve the perfect lighting for any task with adjustable brightness settings. From subtle to bright, it caters to all your needs. Customize your lighting setup with ease. These lights are cuttable and flexible, allowing you to fit them perfectly to any mirror size or shape. Beyond your vanity, these lights are perfect for various indoor spaces. Illuminate your bathroom, living room, kitchen, or even behind your TV for ambient lighting. With 240 LED beads spread across a 13 feet 4mm strip, you'll enjoy a wide and bright lighting area, ensuring no detail is missed. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong double-sided adhesive tape. Simply peel and stick to any clean surface for an instant upgrade. What we like. This is a high-density LED strip, offering 240 LEDs for a very bright and expansive light coverage. It's cuttable and flexible, allowing for a custom fit on any mirror or surface. If you need maximum brightness and a highly customizable lighting solution for a larger area, you should consider this. What people say. These lights are amazing. They are so much brighter than I thought they would be, and they were super easy to put on and figure out how to work. LOL. The quality is amazing. Easy to apply, nice and bright, and makes my old mirror look surprisingly neat. Even with the lights off, the LED strip looks like a nice white frame. I put the control piece on the bottom, and I can easily turn it on with a press of my toe. Really nice that the adhesive on the LED strip extends to the control piece, as well. The lights were very easy to install, and the adhesive backing stuck securely to my vanity mirror. The lights are very bright and vibrant, adding much needed light when applying my makeup and a fun touch to my space. I love that they are energy efficient and can be left on for long periods of time without worrying about them overheating. The length of the strip was also easy to adjust to the size of my mirror. Number 1. KOOKIN Lighted Vanity Makeup Mirror. Introducing the KOOKIN Lighted Vanity Makeup Mirror, your perfect companion for flawless makeup application. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for both home and travel. Experience a clear and natural view with its 16 built-in LED lights. This mirror is perfect for your daily skincare routine, applying foundation, and all your makeup needs, as well as for shaving. Easily control the lighting with the touch-sensitive screen. Simply tap to turn it on or off, and hold to adjust the brightness to your desired level. It even remembers your last setting for convenience. Achieve the perfect angle every time with its 180-degree rotation feature. You can freely adjust and fix it to a comfortable viewing position. This mirror offers flexible power options with both USB and battery, 4AA, dual supply. Please note that it requires either the USB to be plugged in or batteries to be inserted to function. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas. This mirror is a stylish addition to any room, perfect for teen girls, women, moms, wives, or girlfriends. What we like. This product is a complete lighted mirror, not just lights. It features 16 LEDs, adjustable brightness, and a 180-degree rotation for the perfect angle. If you want a compact, all-in-one solution for makeup application at home or on the go, and appreciate the convenience of dual power options, you should consider this. What people say. Lights are SI bright to see everything. Great light. Small but mighty. Love the way it tilts. You can use it with batteries or with the USB cord. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.